let's take a look at savings bonus, the fourth way to get paid with the NewAge compensation plan. So what is savings bonus? Once you earn at least $250 in base commissions, you will bank an additional 15% of your base commissions as savings bonus. Let's have a look at a calculation example. So in week 46, your base commission payment was $2,000. The savings bonus calculation is $2,000 times 15% equals $300 US. So that amount gets banked and put away into a savings bonus for you. Your savings bonus is banked and will continue to save up to $500 each week. And once you have saved $10,000, your savings bonus pays all $10,000 to you at once. Now that's US dollars. And it is usually paid with your next commission payment. So after you get paid your initial $10,000 savings bonus, the savings bonuses are still calculated and they pay you every 4 weeks up to $500 per week with your commissions. So that's up to $2,000 extra a month, which is absolutely fantastic. What would you do